Rich from Alpin Haus. We're gonna make some smoked queso today on the big green egg. So today's queso recipe is super simple. It's got a mixture of diced tomatoes with green chilies, another can of diced tomatoes that are fire roasted, a can of cream of mushroom soup, some sausage in it, a full block of Velveeta cheddar, and 16 ounces of diced smoked Gouda. And I'm adding some of my favorite barbecue rub.
Hey, Rich is making queso outside.
We're just making queso outside? Like, when is it gonna be ready?
In like half an hour. Hey, Jamie, Rich is making queso.
Excuse me 1 second. Queso?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to call you back.
Ooh, that's hot.
It's really good, Rich.
That's awesome. I would take it with me.